Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet a beautiful hairband. Chain 4 as the beginning. One treble crochet. Next all double treble crochet. Make double treble crochet as more as you can. Add last slip into the first stitch. Fasten off yarn. Change yarn. 1 single crochet and 3 chains. Repeat that to the end. Thanks for your company. We get the beautiful hairband now. Appreciate your subscription.